There you are. We were just about to walk around the... What was that? What's sustainability? Biodiversity. Why is it so important? Well, I can actually answer that question. Come on. Sustainability is the ability to support or maintain a system over a long period of time, so you can have the things that you're protecting for, well, longer. Now, biodiversity is a bit different because it refers to a variety of life forms and the different ecosystems they form on Earth, showing how each species can become more complex over time. Kinda cool, right?
Hey, biology. Tyler here. You wouldn't believe it, but I'm surrounded by a bunch of trees. Or am I?
For the production of paper, about 4 to 8 billion trees die a year. And for the production of a single book, 3% of a tree is used. Meaning that in a library of 3.4 million books, like Hamilton Library in UH Manoa, 102,000 trees died for that knowledge. Meaning that right now, I am in a forest of both knowledge and trees.
But what's the similarities between these trees and the future of Hawaii's palm trees? They're both dead.
Uruki's rhinoceros, also known as CRB, coconut rhinoceros beetles, are beetles that have infested Hawaii pretty quickly now. Right here we can see the life cycle of these creatures. They start as adult beetles and slowly turn into, oh shit, I fucked up. The point is, these guys eat a lot of shit.
The reason coconut rhinoceros beetles are so dangerous is because of the damage they do to our ecosystems as well as our agriculture, jeopardizing not only our native plant, but the food we need to survive. But that's just not the only issues that they're destroying our amazing Aina, no? It also affects us kind of greatly, considering when they burr into trees, the trees rot, which means for coconut trees specifically, because they are coconut rhinoceros beetles, rotten coconuts can fall and injure people, meaning people can get hurt. And nobody wants to get a rotten coconut to the head, right?
Coconut rhinoceros beetles cause a lot of harm to not only us as people, but to the environment. It affects things like plants other than coconut trees. Coconut rhinoceros beetles damage things like taro, papaya, sugarcane, and even pineapple. These beetles affect all sorts of plants and animals. The ugly truth is that we have to get rid of these things. Here we can see the difference in population levels of CRB in Oahu, Big Island, and all of the other islands. Nearly all of the islands have seen CRB now, but Oahu is the most infested. This map shows the trap detections of coconut rhinoceros beetle through Oahu. We can see them mostly being populated in the center of the island, but also on the west coast. We see parts in the North Shore and overall shows how infested this island is.
You know what sucks? Is we don't have enough data. And you might be wondering, how do you not have enough data considering this is such a big issue, right? Well, the coconut rhinoceros beetle only became a really big issue in the past 3 years. It was an issue before, but they didn't and weren't able to get as much data as they would have liked because it was sort of a new thing, you know? But with the data we do have, we're able to see where these guys like to be, what environment they like to live in, which is great because it makes it easier to catch and trap them. So, you're probably wondering, how do I become a part of the solution, Mele? How can I help? Well, here are a couple tips and tricks that you can use. 1, composting. If you do compost, make sure you're taking care of that organic matter properly. Organic matter is a breeding ground for all types of bugs. 2, traps. Homemade, store-bought, a cup you find on the side of the road, anything works as long as you're able to trap the bug and dispose of it properly. 3rd, being able to contact the right people. Here are some links you can use to contact people about the situation.
We as individuals do not need to be alone in saving Hawaii and the Pacific from coconut rhinoceros beetles. The CRB response is a collaborative effort between various organizations, such as the University of Hawaii and USDA, to protect Hawaii from CRB. In response to this threat, the U.S. Department of Interior allocated $1.5 million to combat invasive species in U.S. territories, including $866,000 for the University of Guam's effort to control the rhinoceros beetle.
There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow.
And blah blah blah. No, hi dog. The reason coconut rhinoceros beetles are such a big danger? Well, I don't fucking know. I'm trying to. I should have looked at my script before clicking. What am I doing? Guys are wow. What the? Why are you chirping so loud, bro? You're throwing me off. The reason coconut. Why does my hair look bad?